Samsung has officially opened reservations for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7, and there's a solid incentive to book early. If you reserve the phone now, you'll get $50 in Samsung credit, along with potential savings of up to $1,150. There's a reservation link provided in the video description for anyone interested. When it comes to design, Samsung has made some noticeable upgrades. The cover screen is now larger than before, comparable to what we've seen on the Motorola Razr 50 and 60 Ultra models. It features a 4-inch display with sharp corners and a boxier look, giving the device a more modern and refined aesthetic. Plus, the bezels are extremely thin, which makes everything look cleaner and more immersive. Inside, the main display remains at 6.7 inches, just like previous Z Flip models. However, you'll likely notice a smaller crease this time around, thanks to improvements in both the hinge and display technology. It's also possible that Samsung has used a thicker layer of ultra-thin glass, which could be helping reduce the crease even further. In terms of durability, Samsung is keeping things consistent with an IP48 rating, which is the same level of protection offered on the previous Z Flip 6 and the new Z Fold 7. This means it offers a decent amount of dust and water resistance, though it's not entirely waterproof. The official launch date for the Z Flip 7 is set for the 9th of July, which is when pre-orders will begin. The device will then be released to the public on the 25th of July. Since reservations are already open, eager fans can get a head start right now. Now, one topic that sparked a lot of conversation is the processor. At first, reports suggested that Samsung would use its in-house Exynos 2500 chip only for the Korean market, while the rest of the world would get Qualcomm's Snapdragon. However, updated information from SAM Mobile and firmware leaks confirm that the Exynos 2500 will actually be used globally, including in the US. This marks the first time Samsung is bringing an Exynos-powered foldable flagship to the American market. That said, there are some performance concerns. While the Exynos 2500 uses a 3 nanometers process and includes a 10-core CPU, it still falls short compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, particularly in terms of raw power. The Snapdragon chip is expected to deliver stronger performance and better thermal management. Samsung might need to introduce a larger vapor chamber to help control heating issues on the Exynos model. For casual users and non-gamers, the Exynos 2500 should be more than capable. But if you care about maximum performance, devices like the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, which comes with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, may have an edge. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. And a reservation deal that could save you big. See you in the next one.